Imagine waking up tomorrow with the ability to shape your reality just by shifting your awareness. Picture manifesting your deepest desires, from love to wealth to success, simply by becoming more conscious of your inner power. This is not a fantasy, it's the life-changing potential of Neville Goddard's power of awareness. Stay with us until the end of this video, where we reveal a mind-blowing secret that will forever change the way you perceive reality. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Welcome to our channel, where we delve deep into the transformative teachings of Neville Goddard. In today's video, we're exploring one of his most profound concepts, the power of awareness. By the end of this journey, you'll not only understand how to harness the power of your awareness, but also learn practical techniques to manifest your desires and transform your life. Plus, we've saved the best for last, a powerful revelation that will elevate your understanding to a whole new level. To truly grasp the power of awareness, we need to start at the beginning. Neville Goddard believed that our consciousness is the only reality. This means that the external world is a direct reflection of our internal state. Imagine looking into a mirror. The reflection you see is not separate from you. It mirrors your appearance perfectly. Similarly, the world around you reflects your internal thoughts, beliefs, and feelings. It may sound abstract at first, but consider how often your mindset influences your experiences. For example, when you're feeling confident and positive, you tend to attract positive outcomes and opportunities. On the other hand, when you're consumed by doubt or negativity, it often seems like everything goes wrong. This isn't a coincidence, but a manifestation of the internal state being mirrored in the external world. Understanding this concept is crucial because it places the power of creation firmly in your hands. By becoming aware of your internal state, you can begin to shape your reality consciously. One of the key principles Neville taught is the law of assumption. This law states that whatever you assume to be true becomes your reality. It's a powerful concept that underscores the importance of your beliefs and assumptions. If you assume success, you will experience success. Conversely, if you assume lack, you will experience lack. The universe doesn't differentiate between positive and negative assumptions, it simply mirrors what you hold to be true. Therefore, shifting your awareness to align with your desired state is essential. For instance, if you want to manifest abundance, you must first assume the feeling of being abundant. This isn't about wishful thinking, but about embodying the state of your desire so fully that it becomes your reality. The law of assumption teaches us that we are always creating, consciously or unconsciously, based on our inner beliefs and assumptions. By taking control of these assumptions, you can consciously shape your reality. Visualization is a powerful tool in harnessing the power of awareness. By vividly imagining your desired outcome, you train your subconscious mind to accept it as reality. Visualization is not just about seeing images in your mind, it's about feeling the emotions and sensations associated with your desired outcome. When you visualize, you're not merely daydreaming, you're programming your subconscious mind to recognize this imagined state as real. This practice helps bridge the gap between your current reality and your desired state. Let's explore some practical visualization techniques that you can start using today. One effective method is the end scene technique, where you imagine the final scene of your desire as if it has already happened. For instance, if you want to manifest a new job, visualize yourself in the office, interacting with colleagues, and feeling the satisfaction of doing work you love. The more detailed and emotionally engaging your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. This technique helps to imprint your desired state onto your subconscious, making it more likely to manifest in your reality. Hearing how others have transformed their lives using Neville's teachings can be incredibly motivating. These personal stories and testimonies serve as powerful reminders of the transformative potential of the power of awareness. For example, let's consider the story of Sarah, a woman who felt stuck in a dead-end job. After learning about the law of assumption, she began to visualize herself in a fulfilling career, enjoying every aspect of her work. She practiced this visualization daily, embodying the feeling of already having her dream job. Within a few months, she was offered a position that not only aligned with her passions but also offered greater financial rewards. Sarah's story is just one of many examples of how individuals have used Neville's teachings to manifest incredible changes in their lives. These stories highlight that the principles of the power of awareness are not just theoretical but can be practically applied to achieve real-world results. Now it's time to put theory into practice. Practical exercises are essential for heightening your awareness and aligning your consciousness with your desires. One simple yet profoundly effective exercise is scripting. In scripting, you write a detailed narrative of your life as if your desires have already manifested. This written narrative should be in the present tense, filled with vivid descriptions and emotions. For example, if you desire a loving relationship, write about your daily life with your partner, the joy you share, and the love you feel. This exercise helps to anchor your desired state in your subconscious mind, making it more tangible and real. Another exercise is the mirror technique, where you look into a mirror and speak affirmations as if they are already true. This practice not only reinforces your assumptions, but also helps build confidence and self-belief. The key to these exercises is consistency. By regularly engaging in these practices, you reinforce the assumptions that align with your desires, making their manifestation more likely. One of the biggest obstacles to mastering the power of awareness is overcoming doubts and fears. These negative emotions can create mental barriers that prevent you from fully embracing your desired state. Neville often spoke about the importance of addressing these doubts directly. Whenever a negative thought arises, counter it with a positive affirmation. For instance, if you find yourself thinking, "I can't achieve this," immediately replace it with, "I am capable and deserving of this." This practice helps to reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Another effective strategy is to practice gratitude. By focusing on what you're grateful for, you shift your attention away from what you lack and towards the abundance in your life. This shift in focus can help alleviate doubts and fears, making it easier to maintain a positive, focused mindset. Remember, overcoming these obstacles is a process, and it's okay to experience moments of doubt. Now, as promised, we have a mind-blowing secret to share. This revelation ties together everything we've discussed and offers a profound insight into the true nature of reality and your role in shaping it. The ultimate revelation is that you are the operant power in your reality. This means that you are the creator of your experiences, and the power to change your life lies entirely within you. Imagine for a moment that you are an artist standing before a blank canvas. Every thought, belief, and assumption you hold is like a brushstroke on this canvas. The picture that emerges is your life. Each detail, each color, each shape is a direct result of the choices you make with your awareness. This is the essence of Neville Goddard's teachings. You hold the brush, and you decide what to paint. This realization is both liberating and empowering because it means you are not at the mercy of external circumstances. Often we feel that life happens to us, that we are victims of fate or luck. But Neville's ultimate revelation turns this notion on its head. You are not a passive participant in your life, you are the active creator. When you understand and accept this truth, you begin to see that every experience, every encounter, and every outcome is a reflection of your inner state. Think about it. When you walk into a room filled with people, your mood and energy can influence the atmosphere. If you enter with confidence and positivity, people respond in kind. Conversely, if you enter feeling anxious or negative, that energy can also be contagious. This is a simple yet powerful example of how your internal state shapes your external reality. The same principle applies to every aspect of your life. Whether it's your relationships, career, health, or personal growth, the way you perceive and assume things to be will determine your reality. By becoming more aware of your thoughts and deliberately choosing positive, empowering assumptions, you can transform your life. Consider the implications of this revelation. If you are the operant power, then you have the ability to change any situation by changing your state of awareness. Stuck in a job you dislike? Shift your awareness to see yourself thriving in a fulfilling career. Struggling with a relationship? Assume the feeling of harmony and love. Facing financial difficulties? Embody the state of abundance and wealth. This isn't about ignoring reality or indulging in wishful thinking. It's about understanding that reality itself is malleable, shaped by your consciousness. When you assume a new state of awareness, you begin to attract circumstances, people, and opportunities that align with that state. Your subconscious mind, which governs much of your behavior and responses, starts to act in ways that bring your assumptions into fruition. The ultimate revelation also means taking full responsibility for your life. It's easy to blame external factors for our problems, but this mindset keeps us powerless. By accepting that you are the creator of your experiences, you reclaim your power. This shift in perspective is transformative. It encourages proactive change rather than passive acceptance. It's important to note that this power is always at work, whether you are conscious of it or not. Every thought and belief contributes to your reality. Therefore, becoming more aware of your inner dialogue and deliberately choosing empowering thoughts is crucial. This practice may require effort and persistence, especially if you have long-held negative beliefs, but the rewards are immense. Imagine the freedom and joy that comes from knowing you can shape your destiny. You are not bound by past mistakes or current limitations. With each moment, you have the opportunity to create anew. This is the true power of awareness, the ability to consciously design your life according to your deepest desires and highest aspirations. As you continue to explore and apply Neville Goddard's teachings, remember this ultimate revelation. You are the operant power. Your awareness is the key to unlocking your potential and manifesting the life you want. Embrace this truth, and you will discover that the world around you transforms in ways you never thought possible. Your journey to mastery begins with this understanding, and the possibilities are limitless. By mastering the power of awareness, you can consciously choose the experiences you want to have and the person you want to become. This knowledge is the key to unlocking your potential and living a life of fulfillment and abundance. As you continue to explore Neville Goddard's teachings, remember that your awareness is your greatest tool. Use it wisely, and you can create the life of your dreams. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey into Neville Goddard's power of awareness. Remember, your consciousness is your greatest tool. Use it wisely, and you can create the life of your dreams. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into Neville Goddard's teachings. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep exploring the limitless power of your awareness.